What we're going to be doing today is the cabin air filter on a 2018 Nissan Maxima, and that's going to be located right, it's not through the glove box, right under it. You just got to keep following it down right in here. Trying to get as good as quality as I can. Alright, so for the cabin air filter, you're going to see this little clip here. Let's see if I can get in there. This one. You're just going to press up on it and slide it out just like that. And then you're just going to push that to the side. And then the white part there that you see in the camera, in the video, the white part is going to be the air filter, cabin air filter. You're just going to reach in there with your fingers and try to get a grasp on it. And if you find that you're not able to, then just go and grab some needle nose pliers. Wow guys, so that thing is a pain in the butt to get out. I ended up just using the needle nose pliers, just getting a good grasp on it and just yanking it out. And then now from there, you're just gonna work it out. Just like that. All right. Got it out. All right, so reinstallation is gonna be reverse of what we just did. You're gonna make sure you have the flow arrows pointed in the right direction. So you got a clean new filter. And then if your plastic cover piece pops off, this is what it looks like here. So when you're reinstalling it, that's just going to kind of go into its fixed position there. And then the bottom is going to clip into place with that right there. There wasn't any real trick to getting it back in. This is one of those kind of things where you kind of have to lay on your back to see exactly where it's fitting into. But that white part right there that you see is the filter. Once you're on your back and you're able to kind of see where it's going into, then it's a little easier to slide it in. But there wasn't any real tricks to it. The only tool that I needed was the pliers just to pull it out. And now we're just going to go ahead and put the cover back on here. Alright, so I had a lot of trouble getting that black cover back on, and it's one of those kind of things, man. You just really got to lay on your back and you got to get under there and see exactly where everything's fitting into. If it's slightly off, it's not going to fit right, but once you get it into the right position, it literally just pops right back in like a glove. So if it's not going in smooth and you're having trouble, then something's not lining up right, or the filter's getting in the way. So make sure you just push it in and it's perfectly flush. This is probably one of the toughest cabin filters that I've seen. Normally they're really easy, but this is one of those that's just really in a tight place. So if you're a big guy like me, getting into this tight position to try to see the filter and get everything put back into the right place is a little tough, but it's definitely doable. Anybody can do it. It's fairly easy, so hope this helps. Thanks guys.